Employers in Phase 1 of the National Recovery Plan, especially micro-enterprises and SMEs in the non-essential sectors, eagerly look forward to the easing of restrictions on social and business activities, as indicated by newly appointed Senior Minister Datuk Seri Hishammuddin Hussein recently. Malaysian Employers Federation President Datuk Dr. Syed Hussein Syed Husman thanked the senior minister for having empathy and giving due consideration to the acute stress levels of the rakyat in the Klang Valley, where the highest concentration of economic activities is located. Syed Hussein also urged the authorities to be reasonable in formulating plans to contain the spread of COVID-19 infection. On behalf of the micro-enterprises and SMEs, the MEF president appealed to Hishammuddin to provide the necessary assistance to open up the economy.